My name is John Hill, and I'm a Free Methodist elder and a ministry consultant living in Texas. And I'm going to tell you a little bit about the value of double session therapy in my life and ministry across the various ways that I serve. I started the process in a moment when my family had been through a large transition and through sitting with Jeff Whiteman for an extended period of time for 7, 8, 9 months, once or twice a month, to be able to do that work with him in a place where I knew there was high accountability, but also a strong degree of welcome and invitation to trust. I started to see gains almost immediately. I became much more attuned with some of my basic needs that I had been neglecting, which for a heady guy like me is not easy to do. I was able to navigate a second unexpected relocation and two job changes in the middle of all that. My presence as a husband and as a father at home increased through doing this work, and a lot of it had to do with being able to know when I went into the session that I was able to have that full period of time to do that exploring and reflecting and teasing out of maybe things that I had been avoiding or hadn't wanted to face. Jeff was incredibly gifted in this, and I'm grateful to God for him and for his ministry. And I want to tell you that there's a lot of power in being able to do that long work over a period of time. When you donate to the 419 Scholarship Fund, you need to know that you are being, in some ways, a lifeline for the emotional development and the familial well-being and the flourishing of not only folks who do professional ministry, but just for folks who are trying to figure out who they are in life, who they are in God's economy, and to receive their belovedness and to pay it forward to others in a way that's healthy and sustainable. I've benefited from very significant scholarshiping in order to do this work, and I will be forever grateful. I would implore you to open up your heart and your generosity today to give to the 419 Scholarship Fund so that others like me can benefit from this tremendous ministry and find new levels of flourishing. God bless you.